Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to make an animation for a traveling plane from one place to another. Go to Google, then type this word, then click on the first link, travel map animation, then go and click on create map animation. So the first thing to do is to go on this button, then delete all these destination. Then you can make your own. First click to log in, use your Google account. Once again, click on this button, then delete all these cities or destination. Type the city start. For example, I will use this one. For example, this is my own city. Then go to New York, US. Wait for a few seconds to have your animation, and this is the result. From Morocco to United States. To download the video, click on the export, then choose the frame or the rate you want to use to your own videos, then click on download. Thank you for watching this video.